Hello, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Jess, the founder of Sallie Tomato. Let's unwrap another fun holiday project. Welcome to day 21 of our 2025 Hearth and Handcrafted Advent Box. Day 21, perfect for yourself or as a gift. This item is a snap to sew up, spread the cheer, and make a bunch to give to family and friends. Today's gift includes the buckle bracelet free pattern and kit with 4 belt buckles in assorted finishes. Also, you can pair today's pattern with day 16's charming fabric bundle so you can make this project right away. This low sew buckle bracelet is quick, giftable, and fully customizable. You can mix and match colors, fabrics, and buckles to match your wardrobe or give as a handmade gift. We hope you enjoy this project and use this as a stylish handmade accessory, or make one for all of your friends or coworkers so you can all coordinate. There still might be a few Advent boxes left on our website, so don't miss your chance. And if we've sold out, you can sign up for our newsletter below to get early access when the 2026 Advent box launches. We would love to see photos of your completed project. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day.